serious. The defendant admitted to shooting at his brother and wounded him several times. This was right on Tyler Street in Twin Falls, and it's real dangerous, obviously, to have somebody shooting out in the open, and really endangered the life of the victim. Because of the state's concern with the safety of the community, we would ask that the bond be set in this case at $250,000.
Ms. Paul, what would you like to say now?
Your Honor, first of all, we would like to note that this is a bond hearing and not a trial or any other type of hearing. Therefore, we would request that the court base its setting of bond upon the contents of the preliminary affidavit, which has been submitted to the court, rather than the arguments of counsel for the state. We would also note that we do not agree with the factual representations contained in the argument of the state. We would request that the court consider that Mr. Jimenez has resided in the community for an extensive period of time, since 1997, that he is employed in the area, and that he is the primary provider for his household, which consists of several family members. We would request that the court also consider that he indicates that he has faithfully attended court appearances past. Therefore, we request that the court consider a bond amount not in excess of $75,000. Thank you.
Excuse me, Jimenez does have some ties to the community. He does not have an extensive record, although he does have some prior convictions. My big concern was the nature of the allegations that threat the community. There's gunplay involved in this case. Somebody was shot. The allegations and the admissions by Mr. Jimenez when he spoke to the police were that he in fact pulled the trigger while pointing it at Mr. Alvarado. Bond in this case shall be set at $150,000 cash or surety. I think that's appropriate. I don't have a big record, but you're also going to have a no contact order between you and Jorge or George Alvarado, depending on how you pronounce it. You have to go within 300 feet of them, contact them in person, through third party or otherwise, other than through the investigative efforts of your attorney. Ms. Paul can have anybody contact him that she thinks is appropriate in order to help defend you and investigate the facts of the case. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. No contact orders issued. If you have any questions, contact Ms. Paul. She can answer those.